Repair and maintenance of high-purity magnesium ball press. High-purity magnesium ball press, as a heavy equipment, safe operation should be kept in mind. After the installation of the equipment is completed, the whole machine needs to run empty for 2 to 4 hours. Check that there is no abnormal phenomenon before load test. The correct use method can not only ensure the personal safety of the staff, but also improve the service life of high-purity magnesium ball press. In order to ensure the normal production of high-purity magnesium ball press and improve the service life of the equipment, special personnel should be equipped to operate, maintain and repair the equipment, and regularly check the following work. First, check the connection parts of the high-purity magnesium ball press is firm. Second, gear tooth surface contact of the reducer. Third, check the temperature rise of the high-purity magnesium ball press, refueling on time, replace the new oil, and so on.